Hi there, this is Kritesh and welcome to TradeBrains YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to discuss how to choose your first stockbroker. Now, the stockbrokers has made the life of all the investors a lot easier. Now, just by sitting on your couch and using a laptop or mobile, you can buy or sell stocks within a second. It hardly takes a minute to place the buy and sell orders now, and these brokers have made their investments for Indian investors a lot easier and faster now. However, there are a number of stockbrokers in the Indian stock market like ICICI Direct, Zerodha, 5paisa, Angel Broking, Share Khan, TradeZini, Pro Stocks, HDFC Securities, Kotak Securities, etc. And that's why the beginners may be a little confused of where to open their trading and demat account. And this is what I'm going to answer in this video. By the end of this video, you will have a good knowledge of different stockbrokers available in Indian stock market and which one can be the best for you depending on your preference and your investment goals. So let's get started. First of all, if you are new to this channel, please subscribe. We publish new interesting investing videos every week. Now let me start with my own story. I started trading with ICICI Direct. That was my first broker, and I opened a 3-in-1 account there. It means that I opened a saving account, demat account and trading account all in once, and it was very simple and fast. Anyhow, after a year of using ICICI Direct, I shifted to Zerodha because of few reasons that we are going to discuss in this video. So what I want to say here is that your first broker doesn't need to be your last broker. Many people spend a lot of time, like 3 to 4 months, in order to find a good stockbroker. In that time, if you have used to research stocks or study stock market, it would be more beneficial than to just being preoccupied in searching different stockbrokers. Now let's first start with what is a stockbroker. A stockbroker is an individual or an organization who is a registered member of stock exchange and are given license to participate in the security market in place of the clients. Overall, you do not need to go to the stock market, Bombay Stock Exchange or National Stock Exchange, anywhere. You can give the orders to buy and sell stocks by sitting on your couch through these stockbrokers. In India, there are two kinds of brokers. First is full service broker, also called traditional brokers, and second is discount brokers. Let's start with full service brokers. So full service brokers are the traditional brokers who provide trading facility along with advisory services. So let's say you want to start investing in the stock market, but you do not know where to invest, what stock to buy, what stocks to sell, and you want these buy and sell calls. Further, you also want the research reports, like there will be some reports about different companies, why the analysts feel that this company may perform good in future, and all the other details regarding this company. And you do not want all these research to do it by yourself, but you want your broker to provide you a facility to give all these buy and sell signals. So traditional brokers or full service brokers provide you this facility. This means that you can have a trading platform where you can buy and sell, but you can also get the advisory of which stock you want to buy and sell. Few examples of best full service brokers in India are HDFC Securities, ICICI Direct, Share Khan, Motilal Oswal, Kotak Securities, etc. Another benefit of using a full service broker is that along with trading in equity, you will also have different investment options, like you can also invest in mutual funds, IPOs, FDs, insurance, Forex, currencies, etc. So using the same portal, you can manage all your different investments and invest in different investment options that you like. On the other hand, discount brokers, which are also called budget brokers, are relatively new, and they only provide the trading facility to the clients. I mean, in general, they do not provide the advisory services, and those people who are willing to make their own investment calls, their own investment decision, discount brokers are good for them. Biggest benefit of using discount brokers are they charge a very less brokerage compared to the traditional brokers. We'll compare the charges of the full service brokers and discount brokers in few minutes. Now the examples of few of the best discount brokers in India are Zerodha, Pro Stocks, TradeSmart Online, 5paisa, etc. Now let's do a comprehensive study about the difference between full service broker and discount brokers. So for the brokerage, Now, if you do not know what is brokerage, this is some charge that the stockbrokers charge in order to carry out your transactions. So let's say if you are buying stocks of rupees 10,000, they may charge you a small fraction for providing the trading facilities. For the full service brokers, the brokerage is generally a percentage of your total trade executed. So this percentage can be between 0.3 to 0.5. So let's say you have opened your account in ICICI Direct, so they charge a brokerage of 0.55%. For every transaction of rupees 10,000, you have to pay a brokerage of rupees 55. If you buy stocks of rupees 1 lakh, you have to pay 550 rupees brokerage. Similarly, if you buy stocks of 10 lakh, then you have to pay a brokerage of 5,500. So this is a fixed percentage of your trade executed. On the other hand, discount brokers offers a flat charge, and this flat charge can be rupees 10 or rupees 20 per transaction. So whether you buy stocks of rupees 500, rupees 5,000 or 5 lakh, the transaction charge will be same. That this may be rupees 10 or rupees 20 depending on which broker that you are choosing. And this is the biggest difference between the full service brokers and discount brokers. You can save a lot of money in brokerage by choosing a discount broker. Nevertheless, if you see the primary services, full service broker provides a trading platform along with the advisory services. On the other hand, discount broker only provides you the trading platform. They do not provide you advisory services. Now let's compare which is suitable for which investors. For those investors who want advisory for making their investment decisions, for them full service brokers are a good alternative. On the other hand, if you are planning to invest on your own and if you know how to select stocks and you do not want research papers, then you can go for the discount brokers. Next is research department. For all the full service brokers, they generally have their own research department for advisory. On the other hand, for the discount brokers, they do not have such department. If you look at the networks, then for the full service brokers, they have a very large number of branches in different cities. I mean, you can easily find the offices for Angel Broking, ICICI Direct or HDFC Securities in your town. On the other hand, discount brokers are relatively new and they generally provide online customer service. They do not have much offices, centers, especially in the B-town cities. Customer service, you can get a face-to-face customer services in the full service broker. On the other hand, for discount brokers, face-to-face service is generally not available. However, you can get the online support. So these are the main difference between the full service and discount brokers. Along with it, as I already mentioned, full service broker also give you an option to invest in other investment options like mutual funds, bonds, FDs, insurances, commodities, Forex, etc. So if you want to diversify your portfolio and if you are also planning to invest in other investment options, then again full service broker can be a good option for you. Overall, it totally depends on your preference and investment goal about which stockbroker might choose you. If you want to save brokerage and if you want to do your own trading, then go for a discount broker. Few good discount broker can be 5 paisa and Zerodha. On the other hand, if you're planning to get advisory services and if you're not making your own buy and sell decisions, along with you are also planning to invest in other options like Forex, commodities, then full service brokers can be a good option for you. Yes, they will be a little expensive when you look at the brokerage charges, but the facilities offered by full service brokers are way higher compared to the discount brokers. So that's all for this video. If you liked it, please hit the like button, and if you have any questions regarding stockbroker, like which broker to choose, and if you are confused about any review or anything, just comment down below and I'll answer your questions. That's all. Thank you for watching. This is Kritesh signing off.